In this video, I'll show you how to mask sensitive information in Excel. So we have a dataset here consisting of a series of names, emails, and account numbers. The account numbers in column C are considered to be sensitive data. We don't want them to be displayed in full here. And the solution to that is a very simple Excel formula that could mask parts of these account numbers. So the whole thing doesn't get displayed and the account numbers don't get compromised. We just need to use a very simple replace formula, and that formula is currently displayed on the bottom of the screen over here. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to this column over here. There we go. So I'm going to drag this all the way down, and there we have it. It's been applied to the full range. How this works is this is a simple replace formula consisting of 4 simple arguments. First one is the reference cell. In this case, we're referencing cells in column C. The second argument is the start. So we're going to start in the first character. Number of characters that are going to be affected here are 4 characters, and they're going to be replaced with 4 stars. So what this does is it basically takes the first 4 characters of the account number and replaces them with 4 stars. As simple as that. And if you want it to be masked, say, more than this, you can indicate, say, first 5 characters and put, say, 5 stars. There we go. This way, the first 5 digits have been masked. So this could be easily customized based on your requirements for masking. Now, the next step after we do this, as you can see here, the original account numbers are still visible, and we won't want that. So the purpose is that the end user only sees the masked account numbers and not the original ones. And the solution to that is fairly simple. First thing we have to do is to select our full data range. I'll do that by clicking on this symbol on the top left-hand corner of the screen. And then I'll right-click. Then we have to go to Format Cells. This page appears. First, we unlock everything. And I'll explain a little bit later on why. I will deselect the locked box, as so. I'll click on OK. Then we will select the column in which the unmasked account numbers are located. In this case, it's column C. I'll select it. I'll right-click. I'll go to Format Cells. And now I'm going to lock this column and this column only, as so, by clicking on this box. I'll click on OK. The next step is to hide this column. There we go. And last but not least, we have to go to Ribbon, we go to Review, and we go to Protect Sheet. And then we have to set a password over here. So I'll set a password. Click on OK. I'll re-enter the password. Click on OK again. And there we go. Now the original account numbers have been hidden and they cannot be unhidden. So a user that does not know the password cannot unhide the column that contains the unmasked account numbers. All they can see is the masked account numbers. And this way, the full account numbers are going to be hidden from people who are not authorized to see them. And that's how it works. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.